If you are suffering from cancer in different parts of the body, such as the kidneys, uterus, ovaries, prostate, colon, no matter where you have cysts or cancerous tumors, this drink is your salvation. Just as it was for my neighbor Ramon Hilario, who had been diagnosed with terminal kidney cancer, and according to the doctors there was nothing more to do. But since he began to drink this miraculous drink, the cancer began to give way and disappeared completely. The first ingredient is aloe vera or aloe vera. Aloe vera strengthens defenses, improves digestion, metabolism, cardiovascular health, deflates and attacks bacteria, viruses, and cancer cells. The second ingredient is molasses. Molasses contains isoflavonoids with high antioxidant and cytotoxic activity, which helps fight cancer. The third ingredient is honey. This decreases the viability of tumor cells, decreases the risk of metastasis. Remove the aloe vera gel and incorporate it into the blender. Add a 1/4 cup of molasses and 2 tablespoons of honey. Liquor until the ingredients are well integrated. Then add a spoonful of gin. You can apply the ingredients to get a greater amount. You should have a small cup on an empty stomach. Many blessings, see you tomorrow.